subway nila. Katabi din dyan, no? Pag ano, bilis eh. Subway po. Pag nakita nyo yung M, ayun na yan. Yan yung subway nila, metro rail nila. Dumo. Ayan. Lalabas ka ng Dumo pag gusto mo pumunta ng church. Ayan po. Kutsi pa dyan. Tapos, ayun yung church sa inyo. Ito yung hagdan, oh, di ba? Ayan, nakita niyo yung hagdan, oh. Oh, ayan, hagdan, paakyat ng Dumo, palabas ng Dumo na yan. Talagang Dumo agad ang bubulaka sa inyo ay Dumo Church. Yan, alam niyo naghagdan kami, grabe. Nakamaleta. Yeah, Trorel, M1, M3. So you should know what exit at what M you will use. M1 sa baba, M3 dito. Yan, so you can read some more. Via Torino, Piazza Duomo, Usita exit. Ayan, tinuruan ko kayo ang Usita is exit. They have a photo also here, photo gallery. Kaya ayan, M1, M3. So you should know. Ito po yung bilihan ng ticket. Ay, pagkain ni Doggy. Lily's Kitchen Cottage Pie. Ayan ito ganyan yung pinuntahan namin, oh, may lake saka yung bundok. Dito yung mga shopping mall sa subway. Ito another exit.
Or maybe we just bring down. This is too far also from the top.
Oh.
We just get our luggage.
Maybe the other side have the train also. Or you can just ask first the information.
The is over here.
The what?
The leaf is over there. But if not, we pull from the other side.
Rush hour. Takbuhan. The morning rush hour. We just try to see where is the exit. Yan, layo po ng lift, kaya tuloy kami. But I think even bringing down is okay because it's bringing down. Last time bringing up is more difficult eh. Bringing down, no problem. Lift tayo. Ito, maluwang tong lift na to eh. So yeah, this is the exit. Oh, it's okay, oh, baby.
So we know the exit.
Dumo also. Oh, yeah. Wow, that's great.
We just took 14 minutes, 20 minutes this train.
Yeah, okay. But how come we cannot see that one, because no M? Po, may mga bega din, lamig-lamig. Giniginaw sila. Hindi naman tayo makakatulong kasi foreigner lang tayo dito. Only the we can give this also. Yeah. Lahat po tayo ay need to survive, kaya hindi rin natin matutulungan yung mga pulubi dito. We just pray for them kasi syempre dami sila dito, dahil napagtaka nga kasi yung iba nga namamalimos kasama yung aso nila, tapos ang aso nila ang taba-taba. You think we can walk through the to the castle now? Or far? Oh. Ito mga birdie, oh. Naghahanap ng morning breakfast nila. McDonald's! So we are here, and this is the main of Dumo. Yan, main attraction of Dumo, especially the church, is the main attraction. So last time when you see in my vlog in the evening or in some of my vlog, super dami ang tao. Ngayon lang kasi maaga kaya baka konti pa lang eh. Yan, may KFC dito, may McDonald's, gelateria, ice cream if you like. And here, not much transportation yet kasi even the metro train not yet start ano. Ayan, you can eat in the cafe, pizzeria, farmacia. Mga Pilipina to. Oh. Hello kabayan! Mga Pilipina yan. Naririnig yung salita eh. Nagmi-meeting sila. Early in the morning. Ayan. Diba? Sabi, ganun. Hello kabayan! Siyempre kabayan tayo eh. Ah, yun, tayo. Pasko na! Pasko na! Pasko na! Pasko na! Uy, Lilo and Stitch, laki oh. Puro sis. Ah, lamig na naman! Max Mara. Sabi, ang lamig! Yan ang trend, gising na. Biyahing Quiapo! Biyahing Quiapo! Sakay na tayo! KFC restaurant. Maandar na. Ayan yung mga building nila, oh. Pare-pareho naman yan, eh. Kahit pumunta ka sa ano, live studio. Cleaning time. Sarado pa ang KFC. Ay, basa. Early morning cleaning. Buongiorno. Cleaning time. Basa, Foxtown. Ah! Buongiorno, Bangko BP. Bandalising na. Black Friday. Bata, paano ka ginawa? Trapasso. Walk in. Ang ganda rin sa loob. It's ano, kakapal na mga ano nila oh, pinto, mga gate nila tataas oh. Black Friday. Kakapal ng mga ano nila oh, poste baby, very thick. Wow. Even the door very high. So no one can come in. Even the burglar cannot come to steal. Yan yung railway. Puro shopping mall dito eh. Kahit saan ka pumunta dito, shopping mall oh. Lamig, nangangatog ako sa lamig, boss. You go. Lamig. Grrrr. Yan ang sikat ng araw. It's very windy. Sarado pa. This one is what I told you. Starbucks cafe. Welcome to Starbucks. Ooh, it's a privilege to be here. Uy, gising na. Bukas na. Ang aga. Reserve. Poste. Si Kuya. Gising na. We had the early break. Early people here. Balik kami dito. Dito yung ano, konti lang ang tao. Uy, konti na lang mga natira. Ang daming bumili kagabi niyan, kahapon. Yan, tahimik ang machine. Coffee time. Ayan. Coffee lifestyle. Ito po yung ano, famous Starbucks refinery here in Milan. 5 lang daw yan sa Hong Kong. Just one for you, no? I'll take you. No need. Mga cake nilang sasarap po. So beautiful cake.
ticket like
Yan na gusto
here or
niya.
take away?
Starbucks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 famous place. Puerto Rico, Milano, Zambia, Tokyo, at ano ba yung isa? Shanghai. 2, 4, 5. So place, 5 places famous. Only in the world. 5 lang sila. Ayan, nakita nyo sa taas. Ayan. Tapos yung mga cake nila, grabe oh. Ang sasalap oh. Ayan, dito sila. Ayan, bagong ano. Puro pastries.
You want it here, take away? And can I have a name?
May less people pa. Hihi. Happy February.
Thank you, Robert.
Thank you. Buongiorno. Where we wait. Yeah. Wala pa si ano, no? Is, ano sino ba yun? Alejandro?
Sorry?
Si Alejandro? Na-check here?
What Alejandro?
Yeah. Never mind. Maybe later. It's
You don't
okay.
have those ones?
No, yeah. I forgot. Ano. What is the name of the guy?
Say clearly they don't
No, what's the name? I forgot the name of the guy.
think then you ask him. You don't just
Di ba Alejandro?
You should ask the whole sentence. Where is him? Even I don't know what you're trying to
I said
say.
it's Alejandro here. Oh, waiting for the food. That's the one. The order.